Hi, my name is Amber Hamm. I am a student at SKC, which is Salish Kootenai College. I am in the life science program, a senior. I call this painting Smoke or Snow, the seasons. So this was kind of a way to illustrate what I see as the effects of climate change in the Flathead Valley, which is where I live, Pablo, Montana. So what I have going on in the painting is starting on the left-hand side, we've got what would be spring going into summer, going into fall, going into winter. Um, Kind of represented the area with the mountains and the lakes and some of the specific vegetation that we see growing here. Um, I kind of tried to illustrate with the snow and rain, the different changing of the seasons where we see it change from snow into the slushy water and then to actual rain. And during summer, we see where once it warms up, the rain might equal lightning storms and fire. I kind of went with this to illustrate the impacts of climate change because as we go through these changes, we already have drastic, I would call it fire season as everything dries up and it becomes a real impact with how warm it is for if the plants can stay alive and how much water content we have. And just kind of our area ends up filled with smoke, even if we don't have the fires here. So it's showing that as these changes go on, that these seasons would either shift because we're not getting as much snow, so it ends sooner, and then we have spring sooner, which means that things will start drying up in our area sooner and have our drastic reactions where we have the fires, and all the plant life just doesn't have enough to keep going. But that also impacts all of the creatures in the area with the changing of the vegetation. So basically, I was just trying to illustrate how the climate change is going to be impacted on each of these seasons. And my main thing being that we feel it here in this area quite drastically when it comes to things getting warmer and drier in not just this area but others as well.